Question 1I. Observe that 2 to the 3 is 8, 2 to the 5 is 32, 3 squared is 9, and 3 cubed is 27. So what can we deduce about log 3 to the base 2? Alright, so we see that we want log 2 of 3. Right? So an instinctive thing to do would be trying to log these things. Okay, and before we log it, let's have a look at the answer. It says between something and between something. That means that we can't obtain an exact value for this. Okay, and unless you have a calculator, right? So the thing we might want to do is to form inequalities. Yeah, we would want something like, log 2 3 is something. So if it was like this, then we would answer A, right? So we want something like this. Okay, we want something in this form. So let's order these powers, shall we? So 2 to 3 is less than 3 squared, is less than 3 cubed, is less than 2 to the 5. Right? Just by the values of it. Yeah, so 8, 9, 27, and 32. Now let's take log 2 on everything. Okay, note that log 2 is always an increasing function. Okay, so taking a log of these, we don't have to swap the inequality signs at all. Okay, so let's go. So log 2 of 2 to 3 would be 3. Okay, log 2 of 3 squared, we can't do anything with that just yet. Log 2 of 3 cubed is smaller than 5. Okay, log 2 cancels with the base 2. So actually we know that now 3 is less than 2 log 2 3, yeah, by the properties of logarithms, and 3 log 2 3 is less than 5. Now note that we have 2 inequalities here. Okay, or you can actually swap them around. Okay, but if you swap them around, you'll get a wide range. Okay, so you could say, oh, I want to do this instead. That's also okay, actually. It's not incorrect, but it just gives you a wider range. Okay, and it's not included in these 4 answers. Alright, so the best approach is to just take the left 2 and the right 2. Okay, so log 2 of 3 would be greater than 3 over 2. Yeah, and log 2 of 3 is smaller than 5 on 3. Yeah, and what does that correspond to? That corresponds to B. Right? Yeah, so that's the most narrow approximation we can make. Yeah, because we can make a lot of approximations actually. Like you could even say that, okay, log 2 of 3 maybe it's just from 0 to like 1,000. Like it is a correct approximation, but it's not very helpful. Right? So we always try to make the most narrow range that we could. Alright, so the answer is B.